In 2012, the Central Bank of Nigeria introduced a cashless policy, an initiative aimed at reducing the amount of physical cash in circulation and encouraging the usage of electronic platforms for the payment of goods and services. According to the Apex Bank, the policy will help the CBN in controlling inflation by having a firm grip on money supply through the mopping up of excess cash outside the banking system. The policy is also aimed at curbing cash-related crimes such as armed robbery, kidnapping, terrorism financing, and corruption. To ensure the success of the policy, the CBN announced a new weekly cash withdrawal limit of 500,000 for individual accounts and 5 million for corporate accounts, respectively. The Apex Bank also redesigned the 200, 500, and 1,000 naira banknotes and gave a February 10th deadline for the swapping of old notes for new ones. The withdrawal limit and scarcity of the new notes in the banks have resulted in a financial crisis, with most Nigerians, especially those in rural communities, finding it difficult to access cash for their basic needs and businesses. The situation is further worsened by the large number of unbanked Nigerians and the poor network quality of digital payment platforms across the nation. According to a World Bank report, 64 million Nigerians don't have bank accounts and rely on physical cash for survival. But with the cashless policy here to stay, how can an individual, a corporate organization, a trader, or a businessman survive the new monetary policy of the CBN? Here are a few tips. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification icon not to miss our next video. Number 1. Open a bank account. To survive a cashless economy, you must have a bank account to enable you to perform transactions online. If you don't have one, kindly visit the closest bank to you to have an account. After registration, you can use the ATM card, USSD code, or mobile app of your bank to perform seamless financial transactions such as money transfers and payment of bills. A functional alternative is to download the mobile app of one of the digital payment platforms currently operational in Nigeria. But before subscribing to an online digital payment platform, ensure to do your due diligence by making sure the platform is registered with the CBN and the Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation (NDIC). Number 2. Embrace electronic payments. For decades, the Nigerian economy has been cash-based, with a large majority of buyers and sellers relying solely on cash for their financial transactions. But with the cashless policy of the CBN and the demonetization of the economy, Nigerians must begin to embrace electronic payments for goods and services. To survive in a cashless economy as a business owner, you must learn to accept online payments from your clients or customers if they choose to pay for goods and services electronically. As a buyer or service taker, you must also be open to paying your bills through online channels. On the whole, achieving a cashless economy requires a concerted effort from critical stakeholders, especially the banking and telecommunication sectors. Banks must set up more branches across the nation, improve service quality, and reduce the bottlenecks involved in opening accounts. Telecom providers must also increase their mobile and internet penetration nationwide and improve the quality of their network, especially in rural areas. Regulatory bodies such as the CBN and the NDIC must properly supervise the activities of commercial banks to ensure optimum service delivery. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification icon to get new video updates. Until next time, thanks for watching.